Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check the expiry date of your hosting or hosting package. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, let's dive into your Hostinger dashboard. Open your web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. Once you've logged into your account, you'll find yourself in the dashboard, which is your main hub for managing your hosting services. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu with various options. You want to focus on the section labeled Billing. Click on Billing to expand it, and from the drop-down options, select Subscriptions. This area will display all your active services and their details, almost like a digital catalog of your Hostinger subscriptions. Identify the specific product or plan for which you want to check the expiry date. Your list might include shared hosting plans, domain names, or other Hostinger services. Next to each subscription, there's an arrow on the right-hand side. Click on this arrow to reveal more details about that subscription. Here, you'll find a detailed view that includes the expiry date of your service. Make sure to note this date to keep track of when you need to renew and avoid any service disruptions. And there you have it. You've successfully located the expiry date for your hosting package. This knowledge is handy for checking the status of your services or preparing for renewals. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. If you have more questions or need help with other features, feel free to revisit the hosting dashboard or reach out to Hostinger support. Until next time, take care.